time now. Coming up on 6:05, happening later this morning, a case that made national headlines will make its way back into a Tampa courtroom.
Yeah, Johns Hopkins All Children's Hospital is appealing the ruling in that so-called Take Care of Maya case. 10 Tampa Bay's Jenny Dean is live in Tampa this morning, where the case will be heard by the 2nd District Court of Appeals. Good morning, Jenny.
Good morning, Jameson and Caitlin. That's right. This will be heard before 3 judges from that court. They'll be here today in Tampa, and they'll be listening to oral arguments from both sides of this case, with the attorneys for the hospital claiming that they didn't get a fair trial. So let's go back so you can remember exactly what we're talking about here. This case was made famous by the Netflix documentary called Take Care of Maya. And back in 2016, the Kowalski family took a then 10-year-old Maya to Johns Hopkins All Children's Hospital because of a severe stomach ache. They were concerned that it was a relapse of her complex regional pain syndrome. Well, hospital staff, they suspected child abuse after they were observing some inconsistencies between Maya's behavior and her actual condition. And that's when Maya's mom, Beata Kowalski, took her own life following those child abuse allegations against her. And then a year after all of that happened, the Kowalski family sued the hospital. And in late 2023, the jury did find hospital staff liable for false imprisonment, medical negligence, and intentional emotional distress on the family, awarding the family more than $200 million. Now, as soon as that happened and that jury awarded the family that verdict, the hospital's attorneys filed an appeal a few months later. That was early last year. They're finally now getting this case heard today. And the hospital, really one of the things that they want the court to address is that they say the hospital shouldn't be liable for Maya's mom's death because they had very limited contact with her at the time. Jameson?
Yeah, Jenny, I know you've been following this case for a while now. Do we know what's expected to happen today in court and maybe when we could have a decision here?
Yeah, so today in court, what they're going to do is oral arguments only, and they get a total of 40 minutes. That's both attorneys have to be able to make their case in that total time of 40 minutes. And after that, it could be months before we have any sort of a decision. But they are letting cameras in the courtroom today, so it's something that we will be following for you. And of course, we'll keep you up to date with all of the latest on this case right here on 10 Tampa Bay. Live in Tampa, Jenny Dean, 10 Tampa Bay.
All right, some good insight there, Jenny. Thank you.